Hi kids, Wolf Timber here. And as you know, it's mosquito season. No, it's pumpkin season. And if you've noticed, I'm holding a shotgun. Not just any shotgun, boys and girls. Oh no. We've got a 3.5 inch, what is this, number 1 9/16 ounce triple BB steel shot. That's a pumpkin. Now this guy Derek I was talking to said, hey man, you should shoot a pumpkin. So I'm like, okay. So we're gonna shoot a pumpkin with a 3.5 inch Magnum shell. I'm gonna toss this one to cameraman, and he drops it. Okay, so there's no absolute myth behind this. I'm basically just shooting a pumpkin with a 3.5 inch goose load. This is gonna fucking hurt. Let's try this again. Okay kids, so that's what happens when you shoot a pumpkin with a 3.5 inch Magnum shotgun shell. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. Thank you.